cooking salmon fish stew with tomato. I'm show you how. Okay, just get started. Cut tomato. Finish all of this first. Then I'm going to show you how to cook salmon stew together. Okay, it will be nice and yum. Alright, this is finished now. Alright. Okay, this is garlic. I'm gonna chop this garlic. Finish all of this. Okay, finish all of this. Garlic chopped down. Okay, put on the side. Okay, that's done. Okay, this ginger. I'm gonna chop ginger. This is young ginger. Just let it thin. Okay. Just chop everything just like that. Just get this ginger chopped. Okay, chop that now. Okay, let's get started. This is cooking oil right here. That oil right there, that will cook. Okay, oil getting hot now, so I'm gonna go ahead put the garlic in here. Okay, put the meat in too. Everything in the cooked fish. We're gonna have garlic and ginger. Let it get brown and then so you mix up. Okay, garlic and ginger nice and toned and brown now. This is a tomato. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here. Let's cook. I'm gonna show you how to season it. Okay, start seasoning. Give it the salt. Okay, just go like food first. Salt. Chicken broth powder. Just fine. Any kind chicken broth powder. Gonna be fish sauce. That's taste good. Okay, let's cool down. Taste good. If it tastes good, if you need some more sugar, some more salt, so you add on. So far so good, very good right now. I need more sugar. I need more sugar because tomato is salty. Tomato is sour. So add on sugar in there. So anything not enough, just add on later. Let tomato cook down. Alright, that's good now. Okay, this is salmon fillets. I'm gonna go ahead and put salmon fillet in there. Okay, let me take it out from the bag. Okay, I'm going to add on a little bit more sugar because I want it just a little bit sweet taste a little bit. Very good. Okay, this is vinegar. I'm gonna add on a little bit, just make it sweet and sour, okay? Just add on vinegar a little bit to make a sweet and sour taste. Because tomato is sour, but not like sour like that. You would put sugar, put vinegar a little bit, and make a nice and sweet and sour, like a two-tone taste. You want to get some spice, put spice a little bit. Today I'm not gonna put spice. You can put a little bit hot cherry pepper. Just make a two-tone. Three-tone, like sweet and sour spice a little bit, but today I'm not put spice in there, so I'm gonna I'll change my mind, put spice in there. Okay, this is hot cherry pepper. Go ahead, put in there a little bit. Put that a little bit only, not much. Okay, so put tone in there. Okay, tomato sauce tastes good now. I'm gonna go ahead and put the salmon fish down. See that? Salmon fish, go ahead, line up. Let me cook. Salmon fish cook very easy. It doesn't cook too long. So about, I would say about 5 minutes on each side. So here I got salmon feet down here already. See that? Let me cook for 5 minutes. Let's flip over. So you guys, beautiful looking. Over, see that? Flip over because salmon don't cook too long. Flip over now. See that? Look at this. This is ลาดหนาปลา salmon fish. Okay, let me cook another 10 minutes. Depend. Look at that. Look good, right? Okay, let them cook. Very easy. Oh yeah, just stove down. I would say 5 minutes because this is salmon fish very thick. So this is 3-tone taste. Sweet, salty, sour, and little spice on that. So good. Eat with rice is very good. Okay, I'm gonna flip over. Let's cook another side some more. Look at that. Looking good, guys. Yeah, flip over. You know, if it dry out a little bit like this, you always can add more water a little bit. Just make it nice and juicy, okay? And add water on that. See that? Come back and juicy. Let them cook 5 minutes. I will be done. To know they cook, so I'm just going to take the can and cut off this in the middle. Oh, okay, they cook very well now. Okay, that's it. Okay, divide by 2. Oh yes, divide by 2. This is cooked. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. That's done now. Turn it off. Okay, my tomato cooked with salmon fish done. We call ลาดหนา tomato. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in a container. Get ready to go. This is going for party. That's why I cook this much. Okay, so go to the party. Yeah. It's very good food, guys. Very good food. Who don't like salmon fish? Everybody do. Then tomato right here, ลาดหนาright